How to get Procreate on Windows. Procreate is a popular drawing app that is only available for iOS devices, such as iPad and iPhone. There is no official version of Procreate for Windows or PC. However, there are some possible ways to use Procreate on Windows or PC by using an iOS emulator or simulator. An iOS emulator or simulator is a program that mimics the features and functions of an iOS device on a different operating system. Here are some steps you can try: download and install an iOS emulator or simulator on your Windows or PC, such as BlueStacks, Nox Player, or iPadine. You can find the download links and instructions on their official websites. Open the emulator or simulator and sign in with your Apple ID or create a new one if you don't have one. Search for Procreate in the App Store and install it on the emulator or simulator. Launch Procreate and enjoy drawing on your Windows or PC. Alternatively, you can also use some Procreate alternatives that are compatible with Windows or PC, such as Krita, Autodesk Sketchbook, Adobe Photoshop, or Clip Studio Paint. These are some of the best drawing apps for Windows that offer similar features and functions as Procreate. You can find more information and download links for these apps on their official websites or on the web.